Hey, what's up? It's your girl Jasmine with the G, and I am back at it. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell because so you can know that that I posted a video. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell. Also hit the like button to support me, and yeah, so hit the like button. And I hate my voice sound all raspy right now. But yes, today I'm going to be teaching my way how I season my chicken, and yeah, and these are the seasonings that I use. Try to move them so you guys can see and screenshot. This one right here, I don't really use this one all the time. It just depends on how I'm feeling, if I feel like using that one. And yes, honey, I use all of this right here to season my chicken. You need all the seasoning, you need flavor. Oh. But yes, first what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash the chicken. Well, first you do, of course, you wash your hands. I already did that. But of course I'm gonna be in the water anyway because I'm about to wash the chicken. But first wash your hands and turn on the water. Do not wash your chicken in hot water. You could wash it in like lukewarm, I would say, but cold water. But yes, like I said, I always cook with foil because it's so much easier and it doesn't make that much of a mess when you have to clean up. So yes, first we're about to wash this chicken. I'm about to take another sip of this wine. But first, we're about to wash this chicken. And I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna wash the chicken, but I'm gonna show you guys first. Let me see if I see. Like, if you see any hair on the chicken, that's why, like, when I cook my chicken, I pay attention. If you see any hair on the chicken, you want to pick it off because you don't want to be smacking on hair. They don't always pluck off all the hair. My bad. Yeah, there's fur on this one. I mean, thick fur. It's feathers on this one still. So when I go and buy my chicken, I buy the party wing. Make sure you get off all. I'm gonna just do a couple of pieces because I don't need to do all of it. But yeah, okay. I'm gonna wash it again. It's some people who don't wash their chicken. I don't understand why you wouldn't want to wash your chicken. But yes, okay. And me, I'm like, my butt would have that water running the whole time because I like to wash my hands the whole time I'm cooking. I don't know why. It's weird. But yes, first I'm gonna pour on some of this. Okay. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I promise you I use this on everything. Parsley is so freaking good. So first you just spread that on there. You put as much as you want. Like, literally, you can put as much as you want of this. I just like to put it on it, the whole thing. Go ahead and put some of this. And this is, oh, when I tell y'all, like, I can't believe I'm sharing my secret with y'all, okay? Honey, you have to use a lot of seasoning because when you dip your chicken in the flour, it's gonna take off some of the flavor. So that's why people always trying to clown on like how much seasoning black people use, but we know what we talk about, okay? When you put the flour on your chicken, it takes away some of the flavor, and you don't want it to just taste like nothing. Oh, when I tell you guys, this is my key ingredient. I'm gonna put this one on last because that's my baby right there. Okay, and this is what I use as well. I use this on everything as well too. When I tell you you want to put a lot of seasoning, and the reason I do that as well is because I put mustard on my chicken. This is another key ingredient, mustard. I put mustard on my chicken, and I'm gonna just put a little bit of garlic. If you want to use garlic, you don't have to use too much of this because I don't really use garlic on my chicken like that. But I'm gonna just put it on today. Still gonna be good, but yes. My baby, this is my baby, y'all. It is so bomb. Like, I know you're looking at the chicken like, damn, that's a lot of seasoning. No, trust me, just trust me, y'all. Yes, this is my key ingredient right here, and yes, I drown it in this. And hit the like button if you want me to post a tutorial on how I make my spicy wings. Oh my god, fire, crunchy and saucy. I be gassing myself up, but no, like I really can cook like bomb. Okay, so yeah, that's the seasoning, and this is what I do. I pour, well, let me shake it up. I pour my mustard over it. It gives it that extra crunch and that extra tang. I don't know, it's so good with mustard. Put the mustard on it. Trust me, y'all. Trust me. This is so good. And then what I do is I just like, you know, get in there and just get the flavors everywhere. This is what I do. You just want to make sure that you get it everywhere. And then when you're done, I'm gonna do another one. Today I'm just showing you guys how I season it. But I'm gonna do another video on me putting it in the flour and me actually frying it, so you guys will know how to fry it as well. And coming at the bottom, you guys want me to show you guys how I cook my spicy wings as well. So whatever. So yeah, this is what I do when I season it. I just like go in there and make sure that the seasoning is everywhere all over the chicken. And after this, I dip it in the flour. But I'm gonna do that video next. So go ahead and like this video if this was helpful. Trust me, you guys, I know this looks like a lot of seasoning, but trust me, your girl's a cook and I can make some shit. I can slay some shit. So trust me, this is like the perfect amount of seasoning for your chicken. And use these. Take a screenshot of all the seasonings that I use. Trust me, they're amazing. Tastes good. Parsley goes on everything. Yes. So go ahead and like and comment at the bottom and let me know if this helped you guys. And trust me, I'm gonna do a video on me dipping in the flour, how much flour to use, and how much grease to fry it in. So go ahead and comment at the bottom if you want to see that, and like this video if this helped you guys. And I know I'm just rambling on at this point. But yeah, so go ahead and like this video and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And thank you so much for tuning in. And I will be back to show you guys how to fry this and everything. Thank you. Bye, y'all.